Welcome guys in a new video. In this video I'm going to show you the new game that I'm working on, and it's a top-down shooter game. I don't know what is the name and that I'm going to give it, but it's just a simple game. It's been like 3 days that I'm working on, and it's just a little game. So this is the main scene. We have just like this script. This one is empty. We have the scene loader, we have the player script, we have the lobby, we have the enemy, and we have the bullet script. And this is it. We have, I think, 2 levels. This is the first level. It's just simple, and when you touch this, after you're killing all the enemies, you need to touch this cube and you go into the next level. The next level is not, it's the same, I think, because I didn't make a lot of changes. I can just like make some changes and make it a little bit bigger, just like this. And this is it. In the level 2, this is the script. We have more enemies, and in the first level, this is the first level. We have from 0 to 20 enemy, and in the second one from 0 to 50 enemy. Yup, it's randomized. Just like when you finish the game, you can play it again, and with less or more enemies. Like, we need to change something. So this is the code, and this is the basic of the game. Now let's go to the gameplay. So this is the basic gameplay. This is the first level. We have some dump AI and just need to improve it a little bit. And we don't have juice. The juice is like when you kill the enemy, there is particle system. I just added some rigid body for the bullet, like you can just shoot the bullet in the wall and kill the enemy with it. And you can just shoot multiple enemies with just one bullet, just like this. Oh, I didn't. So you see this cube, this like cube, if you touch it, you go to the next level. This level is bigger and have more enemies. Yeah, the enemies, like I said, it's randomized. So now you can kill the enemies just like this. And in the future, I'm going to add, there is some bug here, there's some collision problems. I'm going to fix it. And there's some light. I just used the OpenGL2 program in the Godot, but I think I'm going to switch to 3. But I feel that the OpenGL2 have like some soft light, and it's going to work in the maximum of computers. But to improve the juice and the quality of the game, I'm going to switch to OpenGL 3. So this is the main game, and we finished the devlog. So goodbye to another devlog.